Wait, did Zendaya just turn a movie press tour into a full-blown wedding fashion editorial? Because every single look she has served this week has been straight up bridal, and honestly, she is winning. Today we are breaking down every single look from Zendaya's The Drama press tour, and girl, she did not come to play. She came to slay. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah. Hello, fashion lovers. Before we dive in, this video contains my personal fashion opinions, and check the description for full disclosures. Let's dive in. Look number 1. Zendaya in Hermano Cervino, Paris, March 25th. Okay, Zendaya Coleman, Paris, Hermano Cervino, and she went full bridal. Like, not bridal adjacent, actually bridal. On the day after the Drama LA premiere, she jetted to Paris and she arrived in this stunning white lace two-piece by Hermano Cervino that had every fashion editor reaching for their phones. First, the top. It is a structured corset in delicate white lace, perfectly fitted with this gorgeous scalloped edge detailing that feels, honestly, chapel ready. The matching knee-length skirt keeps it refined without going full ball gown, which I love because she is still in press tour mode, not wedding mode. The proportions, impeccable, and then the white coat draped on top. It transforms the whole look from bridal two-piece to chic Parisian fashion moment. And can we talk about those signature Christian Louboutin? So Kate pumps in white? Yet the pointed toe peeking out from under that coat is giving everything. This is celebrity style done right. Cohesive, themed, but never costumey. The Drama fashion review starts here. Obsessed doesn't even cover it. This is a best dressed moment if I've ever seen one. Next look coming up. Look number 2. Zendaya in custom, Louis Vuitton, Paris premiere, March 24th. And this, my friends, this is the Drama premiere red carpet moment we did not see coming. Custom Louis Vuitton, Paris, March 24th, 2026. Zendaya understood the assignment, wrapped it in white crepe, and delivered it with a massive black bow train. I am not okay. Let's break it down. The front of this gown is a study in minimalism. Long sleeves, high neckline, crisp white matte crepe. It's almost architectural, precise, or almost cold, in the best possible way. And then you see the back. That black satin bow. A massive structural bow at the waist that just unfurls into this sweeping black train. One color block gesture, that's it. That's the whole look, and it is flawless. Like, this is a simple concept executed with couture-level precision. This is why she leads every celebrity fashion conversation, every red carpet looks round up, every best dressed list, every time. Now, the jewelry. She layered David Morris diamond necklaces, the Le Jardin Wildflower 5-row, and the rose-cut necklace against that modest neckline, and it gives the front of the gown all the sparkle it needs without competing with the drama happening at the back. The Louis Vuitton gala pumps, mostly hidden, but that black pointed toe peeking out, it ties the whole story together. Here's my take. A white gown can disappear under flashbulbs. This one doesn't, because that black element gives every camera and every eye a place to land. The Drama premiere fashion review doesn't get better than this. This is premiere dressing done right. And real quick, she also changed for the after party into a blush lace slip dress and pink faux fur coat, both by Hermano Cervino. 2 looks in one night, the range. Now, I have to ask you something. Does a dramatic back detail like this actually change how you evaluate a red carpet look? Or is the front view all that matters? Drop your opinion in the comments. I want to know. The LA premiere moment. Look number 3. Zendaya in custom Vivienne Westwood. Los Angeles premiere, March 17th. Zendaya Vivienne Westwood dress at the Drama La premiere red carpet. And this is the one everyone is talking about. When Zendaya does classic, it never feels predictable. At A24's The Drama premiere at the DGA Theater Complex in Los Angeles on March 17th, 2026, she chose a moment of refined restraint. And honestly, it hit harder than any maximalist look could have. The gown, custom Vivienne Westwood, soft ivory, liquid satin, off-the-shoulder neckline with the most beautiful subtle drape across the bodice. The fabric hugs the waist and then just flows. Clean, elongated, breathtaking. The drape at the hip adds shape without overwhelming the silhouette. The structure is doing all the work, not the embellishment. And for a Zendaya the drama premiere look, that kind of restraint takes confidence. The shoes, Christian Louboutin, so Kate pumps in white, matching the gown from shoulder to toe. That continuous ivory palette, it's a power move in celebrity fashion. Nothing breaks the line, nothing competes, and the jewelry is so considered. Chopard Haute Joaillerie Collection diamond earrings, a Chopard ring, and 2 Jessica McCormick rings that offer contrast in scale and tone. Layered, yes, but deliberate. If you've been tracking celebrity-style fashion closely, you'll notice this shift back toward timeless silhouettes over shock value. This is not about being the loudest in the room, it's about control. No, she didn't chase drama at the drama premiere. And that is the drama. Oh, and for the after party, she changed into a white lace 2-piece by Harris Reed, inspired by an outfit Prince wore on his Purple Rain tour. But she kept on those show-stopping Chopard jewels. Because of course she did. Okay, tell me, would you keep the monochrome ivory head to toe like Zendaya did, or would you add a contrasting shoe for some edge? Genuinely curious. This is Best Dressed Zendaya Drama Premiere energy at its peak. Talk show looks look number 4. Zendaya in Alexander McQueen, Jimmy Kimmel Live, March 16th, and we're switching gears from the red carpet of the drama premiere to the talk show circuit. And she came with 2 looks for Jimmy Kimmel. 2. Because why not? Talk show dressing can so easily slip into safe territory. But this is not that. For her first Jimmy Kimmel Live appearance on March 16th, Zendaya chose a Alexander McQueen Fall 2026 dress, and it feels soft at first glance, and then strategic on second. It's a flowing halter style in a sheer powder blue base with the most delicate floral prints scattered across in muted blush and sky tones. The neckline gathers high at the collarbone, elongating her shoulder line like only she can. The bodice is gently ruched, and then those asymmetrical panels cascade from the waist. They move. It's romantic, yes, but the tailoring keeps it sharp. And then the shoes. Christian Louboutin. So Kate pumps in a soft blue shade that mirrors the print. Oh, the pointed toe peeking out from the hem keeps the look from drifting too whimsical. That precision matters. It anchors all that fluid fabric. The Jessica McCormick rings add just enough subtle sparkle. In a media event setting, restraint reads as confidence. If you track fashion trends 2026 and celebrity style, you'll notice this shift toward lighter, movement-focused silhouettes for spring talk show rounds. Less armor, more ease, but still completely controlled. This is stylish celebrities done effortlessly. And honestly, it lands. Same night, different drama. Zendaya in Moschino. Jimmy Kimmel Live, March 16th. But wait, because look, 2 of the same night is where things get interesting. Moschino Fall 2026, sculpted gray tailoring, and a hemline that is the whole story. There's tailoring, and then there's tailoring that refuses to behave. This is the second kind. When Zendaya stepped out for the second round of Jimmy Kimmel Live, she didn't go for predictable polish. She chose a sculptural gray look from Moschino Fall 2026 that plays with proportion in a way that feels sharp, not gimmicky. The foundation is a crisp white button-down, slightly oversized, and loosely unbuttoned at the hem to reveal just a sliver of midriff. Over it, a pale gray blazer with dramatic cascading panels that fall in long, asymmetrical ruffles down one side. The shoulders are clean and structured. The hemline, pure movement. That contrast between structured top half and fluid bottom half is exactly what makes this interesting. Below, matching gray knee-length tailored shorts. A length that can so easily go awkward, but here it looks deliberate. Modern. The clean lines ground the look while the top half does all the visual talking. And the shoes? Christian Louboutin Miss Z pumps in white. Pointed, sleek. They sharpen the outfit instantly. The choice of classic pumps instead of something trendier is smart. The rest of this look is already complex. The shoes anchor it. This kind of controlled drama is why she shows up in every serious star fashion moments conversation, every celebrity style guide feature, every fashion highlights roundup. It's experimental, but still wearable. And yes, that exposed shirt hem is the whole story. Nothing here feels accidental. It's balanced chaos. And I am here for it. Look number 5. Ein Oscars Night Zendaya in Louis Vuitton. The Oscars, March 15th, Academy Awards, Hollywood, and we're at the Oscars, people. The drama was having a whole moment at the Academy Awards. To present an award alongside her the drama co-star Robert Pattinson, Zendaya wore a brown-draped Louis Vuitton gown. And the cut? Low enough on the side to reveal her T tattoo dedicated to Tom Holland. And the accessory that had everyone talking, a diamond-encrusted Rolex. Because here's the thing about Zendaya. Every detail is a message. The tattoo reveal, the Rolex, the Louis Vuitton draping. This isn't dressing for the Oscars. This is storytelling in fabric. In a sea of traditional Oscars gowns, she walked out with a brown-draped moment and a Rolex, and somehow made it feel like the most luxurious thing on that stage. This is why she is the queen of method dressing. Every choice has layers, literally and figuratively. In terms of celebrity fashion and red carpet looks, this is a fashion highlights moment. Understated, personal, and completely hers. What happens in Vegas? Look number 6, Zendaya in Louis Vuitton, Spring 2004. Las Vegas Wedding Chapel, March 14th. The Drama Wedding Chapel event, Las Vegas. And she went to Las Vegas for a Wedding Chapel press event, and she wore archival Louis Vuitton. I'm sorry, I need a moment. A Vegas chapel is not where you expect to see vintage Louis Vuitton Spring 2004, and that's exactly why this lands. The up top, the Louis Vuitton Spring 2004 corset top, structured, sculpted, visible shaping seams and a neckline that means business. The fabric has this gorgeous silk satin sheen that catches the light without trying, fitted but not stiff. And it is keeping it elevated even in the middle of a Vegas wedding chapel event tied to the drama movie press tour. The matching Louis Vuitton Spring 2004 silk skirt. Fluid, slightly flared, and you can see it move. That tension between the structured corset and the soft moving skirt is what makes the whole silhouette feel modern rather than like a fashion history exhibit. The shoes, Christian Louboutin, so Kate pumps in Safki, sharply pointed, sleek, elongating every line of that skirt. And the accessories? And a Cartier Love Unlimited bracelet and a Jessica McCormick ring. Subtle, deliberate. What strikes me is the commitment to theme without going literal. A chapel stop could have veered into bridal pastiche. Instead, this reads as playful but polished. A celebrity style and celebrity fashion moment that understands the assignment completely. Look number 7. Zendaya. Something Borrowed. Essence Black Women in Hollywood Awards, March 12th, and this is where it all started. The look that kicked off the entire The Drama Press Tour theme. Nope. Something Borrowed. Slow from Whitney Houston and Carrie Bradshaw, no less. At the Essence Black Women in Hollywood Awards, Zendaya appeared in a white mini dress adorned with an oversized flower. The same flower famously worn by Whitney Houston on the cover of Life magazine in 1987. The references, the layers. She is borrowing from two icons, a music legend and a fictional fashion icon, and she is making it feel completely her own. And the fact that she kicked off a wedding-themed press tour with something borrowed? Roach and Zendaya are playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. Okay, so that is my complete breakdown of every look from Zendaya's The Drama Press Tour. 7 looks, 7 stunning moments, from the Drama La Premiere red carpet to the Oscars stage to a literal Vegas wedding chapel. She showed up. This is the Drama Premiere fashion review you didn't know you needed. And my verdict? Best dressed. Full stop. But here's the thing. That's my list. I want to know yours. Do you agree? Which look was your favorite? Drop your top 3 in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay stylish.